Hello, Dan Rettig, Product Manager here at Lochinvar. We're at the AHR Expo in Atlanta, Georgia. Here today to talk to you about what's behind us is our air source heat pump. The product's going to range from 60,000 to 140,000 BTUs. We'll do a modular concept. You'll see here this is the 140,000 BTU module. And what we'll do is we'll place them side by side to get up to a total of 350,000 BTUs. So this will have a high COP at a low ambient temperature below freezing. And then we have a 513A low GWP refrigerant in the unit. We'll have a control panel that can either mount to the side of the unit, or that the unit can also be mounted in the wall in the mechanical room, so it kind of gives some flexibility during the installation, depending on how they want to put that panel, if they want to put it next to the tanks or next to the units. So this product, we will expect to have this product shipping in November of this year.